Morning, guys. Welcome to a new week. Excited to be with you. This week I want to talk to you about the restoration, but I realize that it's just not going to be possible to do in 1 week, so we're going to stretch this out over 2 weeks. But I want to start this morning with showing you a picture of a leaf that I picked up this morning. So I went for a walk, and I just decided to just take a bit of a stroll, some fresh air early morning, and I came across this lying in the road, and my first thought was just like, I don't know, just look. If you look at the intricacy of the pattern there and how beautiful that is, I was just so mesmerized by it. So as I pick it up, I was like looking around and see where did this come from. Couldn't find a tree. It was literally the only leaf like that lying around there. So now I don't know. Maybe perhaps if some of you would have some kind of scientific explanation for why it looks like this and the fact that it was there or whatever. But my experience this morning talks often about how we view our relationship with Abba, and what we think of of that relationship. So I believe that this was placed there. In my head, I'm dreaming. If I can dream about this, I have a picture of God sending an angel to put that there, knowing that I was going to walk past there and going to see it. And looking at this, it is going to remind me this morning again about something that has become so dear to my heart, and that's the restoration of all things. And just a brilliant reminder of just the beauty in creation and the promises of God that lies ahead for us. And so I want to unpack this a little bit with you. I want to tell you that it's going to be a little bit weird for you, as it is for me sometimes, because I'm going to ask you to kind of dive into and go look for that inner child of yourself, because we are going to talk about a lot of dreaming stuff over the next couple of days, and I really want you to stay with me in this journey, not because I know, not because I'm a scholar on this, but just because from what I've started to see in this, and what I've started to experience in this, has been so phenomenal. It's just blown my mind, and it is something that has so shifted my perspective and changed the stuff that I deal with here on this earth, and as we walk this journey, that I just would love to share it with you, and maybe just a little bit of this you would be able to walk in some of this excitement. So stick with me. We're going to talk about leaves and just the beauty of creation out there, and I'm looking forward to just talking a little bit more about this with you over the next couple of days.